A flashing check engine light is your car's most urgent warning signal. Unlike other dashboard lights, this flashing pattern indicates a severe engine misfire that requires immediate attention. Understanding the difference between a flashing and steady check engine light is critical. A steady light indicates less urgent issues that still need attention, while a flashing light signals immediate danger to your engine. The flashing occurs because of engine misfires, when fuel in one or more cylinders fails to ignite properly. This creates incomplete combustion that can quickly damage your catalytic converter and other engine components. Ignoring a flashing check engine light can lead to catastrophic damage. The most expensive consequence is catalytic converter failure, which can cost over $2,000 to replace, far more than addressing the original misfire. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic systems that help identify the exact cause of misfires. OBD ports allow connection to diagnostic tools, while smartphone apps provide real-time monitoring and precise error codes to pinpoint the problem quickly. When your check engine light starts flashing, immediate action is critical. The flashing indicates severe engine misfires that can damage your catalytic converter within minutes. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. These codes provide specific information about what triggered the check engine light and guide your troubleshooting efforts. The most common causes of flashing check engine lights include faulty spark plugs or ignition coils, fuel delivery problems like clogged injectors, and sensor malfunctions such as a failing mass airflow sensor. Document when the flashing occurs to identify patterns. Note whether it happens during cold starts, acceleration, or specific driving conditions. This information is crucial for accurate diagnosis. While some issues like loose gas caps or dirty air filters can be addressed yourself, complex intermittent problems often require professional diagnosis with specialized equipment. Prevention is key to avoiding check engine light issues. Regular maintenance, using quality fuel, and annual diagnostic scans can prevent major problems and save thousands in repair costs.